See? Come on, let's prank it. That's the prank. Ready? 3, 1. Hello. Ah! That was funny. Well, what if I create more videos like this? Like I just made this. Like pretend this is the hair. Like and I made it no longer. And then cut it, and my dad had a great idea of becoming anger from inside out too. So I made anger. I noticed that. Did you notice this on both sides? If yes, it's for the ears. So I won't carry it because it always falls.
Nagsasayaw ako, babe. Where are you? I'm dancing. I'm dancing in the cloud.
Ay, bakit nandito ako sa garden mo?
I don't know the truth. Okay, tama.
Naglalag ako ha. Naglag ka? Hindi. Nagload ako ng bago eh. Niload ko na yung isa.
Oo nga, babe. Naglalag ako. My galing.
Sorry.
Anong niload mo yung slot 1
I
mo?
forgot. Yeah, it's literally garden update. I'm sensing. Ma, dito muna ako. Gusto mo may kasama ka muna?
Anong hawak ko? Subuti. Ay, wala. Sa dulo ng